Republic TV has accessed videos and pictures from Punjab's Fatehgarh Sahib that show how posters and stickers of Bhindranwale are being distributed and sold at the Shahidi Jod Mill openly during this religious congregation. What's even more shocking is the fact that there are calendars calling for the killing of those involved in sacrilege cases being sold openly as well. Remember, this is the same event where Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh had visited this 3-day annual religious congregation. He had paid his obeisance. But look at what's happening. In fact, speaking of the Chief Minister, he had said in a communication with the media while attending this event that they will not allow for anti-India forces to take root in Punjab. He had talked about how he will deal with communal rift with an iron hand as well. Let's go across to my colleague Gurpreet, who's tracking developments. Gurpreet, tell us more of what is being found now at this event.
Well, this is the 3-day event which is every year it is held at Fatehgarh Sahib. It is named as Jod Mela. That is specially for Shahidi Day of the Guru Sahib's son's martyrdom. So at this point of time, it's not first time. Even every year such posters are being highlighted and such stalls are being set up. We had a word with the Deputy Commissioner and senior officers in the Fatehgarh Sahib who says that these posters are being sold, and the Chief Minister, when he has visited, these stalls are being set up by some organization and they are highlighting that all these posters of Bhindranwale. This is not first time they have set up these stalls here in Shahidi Jod Mela. Early last year, the stall was also set up, and these posters are a routine affair in Punjab. But now when we talk to the senior officer, they said that there is nothing. They are trying to take care of each and everything, that they will not be able to bring any disharmony in the state, but at the same time they cannot say that these stalls should not be set up at this Mela, because they are trying to promote such things during this Mela. And yesterday when the Chief Minister had visited the spot, and today is the last day of this Shahidi Jod Mela, which was about to conclude it.
Right. Well, there is, of course, one thing promoting what you believe in, but quite another, because some of these posters are even encouraging violence when it comes to those sacrilege cases in Punjab, and overall just talking about very, very problematic elements. Gurpreet, thanks a lot for the meantime. We'll keep coming back to you for more.